Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make delicious apple pie filling. First, select fresh, firm apples such as Granny Smith or Honeycrisp for the best texture and taste. You'll need about 6 to 8 medium apples for a standard 9-inch pie. Gather your sugar, spices, and a thickening agent. Begin by peeling, coring, and slicing your apples evenly to ensure they cook uniformly. Now, let's prepare those apples and dry ingredients. Slice your apples uniformly, aiming for about 1/4 to 1/2 inch thick pieces. In a separate bowl, combine your granulated sugar, brown sugar, and a tiny pinch of salt. Then, add warm spices like ground cinnamon, nutmeg, and a hint of allspice. Gently toss the sliced apples with this delightful sugar and spice mixture until they are well coated. Next, we'll focus on thickening and enhancing the flavor. You can use either cornstarch or all-purpose flour as your thickening agent. 2 to 3 tablespoons are typically sufficient for a 9-inch pie. A squeeze of fresh lemon juice is crucial to brighten the flavor and prevent the apples from browning. For an extra touch of richness and a beautiful glossy finish, consider adding 1 tablespoon of unsalted butter. Finally, let's cook and cool our filling. Gently cook the apple mixture over medium heat for about 5 to 10 minutes, stirring occasionally. You'll notice the sauce thickening and the apples softening slightly. It's very important to allow the filling to cool completely before adding it to your pie crust. This crucial step prevents a soggy bottom crust and ensures your pie sets perfectly, ready for baking.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.